Dear friends, in class 9 we are studying 7th chapter triangles, and we are studying the topic inequalities in a triangle. In that, theorem number 7 is, in any triangle side opposite to larger angle is larger. Please note, here we are given in any triangle one of the angle is greater than the other, and we have to prove that side opposite to larger angle is larger. Means here in this we are given there exists some triangle ABC. In triangle ABC we are given angle B is greater than angle C. See, watch carefully. In any triangle, side opposite to larger angle is larger. Means one of the angle is larger than the other angle. We are given angle B is greater than angle C, and we have to prove that side opposite to larger angle is AC. To prove AC is greater than AB. This is what we need to prove. Now this only we will write. Given in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we are given that angle B is greater than angle C. This is given to us, and we have to prove AC is greater than AB. Now we are going to prove this by the method of contradiction. Method of contradiction means we are going to consider all the possible cases. And in that, slowly we are going to prove that this case is not possible, this case is not possible, and the only case that is left will be and AC is greater than AB. Means there exist three cases. So either AC will be smaller than AB, or AC will be equal to AB, or AC will be greater than AB. Is there any other than this? Any other possibility? We don't have any other possibility. AC may be smaller than AB, AC may be equal to AB, or AC may be smaller than or bigger than AB. There are three exists there. So let us prove by the method of contradiction. So here we are going to consider three cases. Consider three cases. In case 1, we are going to consider AC is smaller than AB. AC is smaller than AB. Please note, we are going to consider AC is smaller than AB. We are going to prove that this is not possible. Then we are going to consider the second case, AC equal to AB. By solving certain steps, we will prove that AC equal to AB is also not possible. Then there exists only one last case, that is AC is bigger than AB. And it means if two cases are not possible, the only third case exists. And in that way we are going to prove that AC is greater than AB. This type of proving is called as method of contradiction. Now let us consider AC is greater than AB. Just before this we have proved the theorem number 6. From theorem 6 we have said that angles opposite to greater sides are greater. So if AC is greater than AB, it means AC is smaller than AB. If AC is smaller than AB, it means angle opposite to AC is B. Angle B is smaller than angle C. This is according to the theorem that we have proved in theorem number 6. That is angles opposite to. We have just proved angles opposite to greater sides are greater. Angles opposite to greater sides are equal. But what is given to us? We are given that angle B is greater than angle C. But angle B is greater than angle C. Watch carefully. We are given this. So this step 1 and 2 contradicts each other. According to angles opposite to greater sides are greater, we have got angle B is smaller than angle C, but we know that angle B is greater than angle C. It means these are opposite segments. So 1 and 2 contradicts each other. Equation 1 and 2 Equation 1 and 2 contradicts each other. Contradicts each other. Hence, this is not possible. Thus, it is not possible. Thus, AC less than AB is not possible. AC less than AB is not possible. Is not possible. Next is case 2. This was case 1. Now case 2 is AC equals to AB. Now if AC equals to AB, it becomes an isosceles triangle, and if AC equals to AB, according to isosceles triangle theorem, we know that angles opposite to congruent sides are congruent. So we will get angle B equals to angle C. This is according to isosceles triangle theorem. Isosceles triangle theorem. Isosceles triangle theorem. Now please note, this is also not possible. Now see, angle B equal to angle C is also not possible. The reason is we are given that angle B is greater than angle C. But angle B is greater than angle C. If it is greater, it cannot be equal. Understand this. Now, if angle B is greater than angle C and angle B equal to angle C, these two statements again contradicts each other. 3 and 4. So equation 3 and 4. Equation 3 and equation 4 contradicts each other. Contradicts each other. Therefore, AC equal to AB is not possible. Is not possible. See, we have got AC less than AB is not possible. AC equal to AB is not possible. It means AC must be greater than AB. So this is the only condition left. Case 3 is AC greater than AB. Now see, if AC is greater than AB, then angles opposite to greater side is greater. It means angle B is greater than angle C, and that is only given. It means if this doesn't contradict, this matches with whatever is given, and hence this is the only condition left. So as case 1 and case 2 are not possible, we accept AC is greater than, that is angle B is greater than, AC is greater than AB. AC is greater than AB is true.